Hi everyone, I'm Crypto Hunter. Today, our topic is Chia Network. Chia Network is building a better blockchain and smart transaction platform, which is more secure, more sustainable, and more powerful. Support is also provided for Chia developers and the enterprise use of Chia through professional services and Chia lending. We take a disciplined approach to delivering on the promise that blockchains, cryptocurrency, and the Internet of Markets will create. The Chaya Business White Paper goes into depth on the transformational impact that programmable digital money is going to have in finance, wealth, safety, digital security, and ultimately entire concept of trust. Secure. Chaya is the most decentralized blockchain ever with exopromately nodes implying the first new Nakamoto consists since 2009. The Chaya Lisp on-chain programming environment is fully featured while being far more auditable and secure. Compliant. Chaya believes that in order to deliver on the promise of the next generation blockchains, we must be regularly compliant. It is our stated goal to become a public reporting company, subject to the Secrets Act of 1932. Chaya's native currency, XCH or Chaya, has never been sold by Chaya Network for money, and we believe it will be regulated as a commodity by the TFTC. Sustainable. With its innovative pro of space and time consensus, Chaya uses 0.16% of the annual energy consumption of Bitcoin and 0.36% of Ethereum. Chai is part of the circular drive initiative that reduces e-waste through the secure use of storage, promoting the second use of hard drives for Chaya farming. Technology tab. Chaya is based upon an initial consensus algorithm, proof of space and time, that leverages the vast amounts of over-allocated hard drive space to create. The first new Nakamoto consensus signs Bitcoin in 2009. Proof of space is cryptographic technique where farmers prove that they allocate Unisys hard drive space to network. Proof of time increases the overall security of the blockchain by increasing the attack resistance of our consensus to 50, 51% in most cases. Learn more about post in the Chaya Green Paper and our new consensus working document to see how our version of consensus secure up to 51 attacks in almost all conditions. Compared to proof of work blockchain, Chaya is less intensive and more inclusive while being at least as secure compared to proof of stake blockchains. Chaya is much less vulnerable to attack manipulation and does not suffer from the problem of the rich get richer and the centralizing effects of staking. Chaya delivers security and safety of Bitcoin along with the functional benefits of a purpose-built and more secure on-chain smart coin environment. Chaya documentation. The source of truth for Chaya documentation. Start here to learn more about Chaya. Chaya docs. Documentation regarding the Chaya blockchain, consensus and protocols. Chaya Lisp. Documentation and tutorials for Chaya Lisp or nurturing complaints on Chaya smart transaction programming, language and development environment. Chaya blockchain wiki. Community-run wiki containing instruction and information about best practice regarding stop, hardware farming, plotting, security, time loads, and more. Cultivation grant program. Our cultivation grant program is designed to enable and expand promising new projects that are being built on the Chia blockchain. Chia Technical FAQ, frequently asked questions regarding the Chia blockchain and its function. Chia Network Inc. FAQ, frequently asked questions about Chia Network Inc., the company. Chia News by exchange, trust, or partnership with Stably and Prime Trust, you can now use and audit and follow backed stablecoin to acquire XCH in a trustless and peer-to-peer way using offers. It is also cheaper and more secure than a centralized exchange. Buy XCH. If you want, follow the four steps below by XCH to XCH peer-to-peer. Open a stable Prime Trust account. Fund your stable account by depositing USD to your stable Prime account. Withdraw USDS directly to your Chia Lite wallet. Post or redeem an offer to trade USDS for XCH. If you want to download Chia, this page is the only official source for installer downloads. Do not trust downloads from other sources. Detailed installation instruction and source code can be found on GitHub. Note: Windows installer does not support Windows 7. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.